Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So this tomorrow, Xiaomi launched their Mi 10T series smartphone. The Xiaomi Mi 10T today come with the Pro specs leaks, and this is a latest report about the upcoming Xiaomi Mi 10T and Mi 10T Pro specs leaks in a full sheet. Xiaomi is bringing three Mi 10T smartphone on September 30 tomorrow: Mi 10T Lite, Mi 10T, and Mi 10T Pro. And the spec sheet of the latter two just leaked, giving us much better idea of what we expect. As previously speculated, the key difference will be that the non-pro version will come with a 64 megapixel camera, while the Mi 10T Pro option will come with the regular 108 megapixel sensor. The only other difference according to these sheets, as you can see on your screen, this is the spec sheet of the Xiaomi Mi 10T 5G and the Mi 10T Pro 5G. So is the Mi 10T Pro will have 256 gigabytes of storage option in addition to the 128 gigabytes that will be available on a both phones. Here is a quick rundown of the specs, some of them already from previous leak: a Snapdragon 865 on the inside coupled with the 5G modem at some market. The RAM will be available 8 GB DDR5, with the storage also being at least on the market UFS 3.1. The screen will be 6.67-inch LCD with a 1080p resolution and 20:9 aspect ratio, meaning that the fingerprint scanner will be on the side, doubling as a power key. The display will come with a 144 Hz refresh rate, so this is amazing. The batteries on the Xiaomi Mi 10T and Mi 10T Pro will also identical, 5000 mAh and with a 33-volt fast charging, supported Bluetooth 5.0, and a Wi-Fi 6 will be on the board, as well as an IR blaster, but no 3.5mm audio jack. The price rumor are all over the place for now, is from 550 euro to 700 euro. Those might be explained with a version or market variance, but we will know for sure come to Wednesday tomorrow, because tomorrow they will launch the Xiaomi Mi 1010 series. Note, these are the three phones: the Xiaomi Mi 10T, Mi 10T Lite, and Mi 10T Pro. The Mi 10T Pro come with a 108 megapixel giant sensor camera. So let's see in upcoming days, and tomorrow we will see the full detail of the upcoming Xiaomi Mi 10T series. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.